Method 1. Recycling in the garden and garage. 1. Turn newspaper and office paper into mulch. Tear the paper into strips and layer it around your plants. This will help prevent weed growth and will keep the soil moist. The paper will eventually decompose and help give nutrients to the soil. Corrugated cardboard can be effective as well. Do not use glossy paper or colored ink. 2. Add newspaper to the compost. Newspaper will add carbon to a well-balanced compost pile and is classed as brown. Check out our guide here on how to build a balanced compost. 3. Protect against spills. Use old newspaper as a spill guard when performing auto repair or when painting and staining furniture. Use it as a covering for all of your craft projects. Method 2. Recycling in the office. 1. Print on the back. Many printers only print on one side. If you're printing something that doesn't need to look professional, use an already printed scrap page. 2. Create a notepad. Assemble a stack of once-used papers. Turn them all upside down, then bind the top with staples or brads. Method 3. Recycling around the house. 1. Make cat litter. Shredded newspaper can be turned into an effective cat litter. All you need is some baking soda. Shred the paper, preferably in a paper shredder. Soak the paper in warm water. Add a small amount of biodegradable dish soap. Drain the water and soak again without the soap. Sprinkle baking soda onto the paper and knead the mixture together. Squeeze out as much moisture as possible. Crumble onto a screen and let dry for a few days. 2. Wrap presents. Use old newspaper to wrap gifts. The Sunday comics are especially effective due to the many colors. 3. Pack a box. Use old paper to stuff a package for shipping. Wrap fragile objects in layers of paper and fill the gaps in the box with crumbled wads so that everything stays snug. 4. Make a book cover. You can use paper bags to make book covers for your old and new hardbound books that you can decorate however you'd like. Method 4. Recycling through a waste management service. 1. Contact your local waste management company. Ask them about their available recycling services, as well as any recycling centers in your area. Ask them for details on what can and cannot be recycled. 2. Know what can and can't be recycled. Different areas have different policies on what they can accept, but here's what generally will and will not be taken. What you can recycle: newspaper, magazines, maps, packaging, except frozen food, envelopes, cardboard. What you can't recycle: waxed paper, laminated paper, pet food bags, food-soaked paper, frozen food boxes. 3. Sort and place your recycling on the curb. If your waste management company offers recycling, then take your sorted recyclables out to the curb in the recycle bins on trash day. 4. Take your old paper to a recycling center. If your local sanitation company doesn't support recycling, or you have too much to fit into a bin, pack up your recyclables and take them to your local recycling center.